Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Toyota Hiace GL Grandia, a van that continues to make its mark as one of the most reliable and versatile people movers in the market. Whether you're looking for a vehicle to serve your family, your business, or even both, the Hiace Grandia aims to deliver comfort, practicality, and trusted performance all in one package. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this impressive vehicle. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Hiace GL Grandia showcases a modern, robust look that balances function with a touch of elegance. It features a bold front fascia with a large chrome-accented grille, sleek multi-reflector halogen headlights, and subtle body lines that give it a clean yet muscular appearance. The van sits on 16-inch alloy wheels that provide a slightly elevated stance, giving it a confident road presence. The large side mirrors are electronically adjustable and foldable, which adds both convenience and safety when navigating tight city spaces. Its sliding rear doors are a key highlight, offering smooth access for passengers, especially in commercial or shuttle-type setups. Inside, the Hiace GL Grandia keeps things simple but functional. The cabin is spacious and airy, with seating for up to 12 passengers depending on the configuration. Upholstery materials are durable, designed to withstand everyday use, and there's sufficient legroom for a comfortable ride. The dashboard layout is intuitive, with a touchscreen infotainment system, digital air conditioning controls, and multiple charging ports to keep devices powered on the go. While it doesn't go overboard with luxury, it ensures a comfortable and practical space for long drives or regular commuting. Under the hood, the 2026 Hiace GL Grandia is powered by a 2.8-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel engine, delivering around 174 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. This engine is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, offering a smooth and responsive drive, even when fully loaded. It handles urban roads and highways with ease, and thanks to its strong torque delivery, it's more than capable on uphill drives or when carrying heavy cargo. The suspension has been refined to balance ride comfort and stability, making it ideal for both passengers and commercial operations. Fuel efficiency remains one of its strong points, which is especially important for business users looking to keep operating costs down. Safety has also seen significant improvements. The 2026 Hiace GL Grandia comes equipped with dual front airbags, ABS with electronic brake force distribution, vehicle stability control, and hill start assist. New for this model year is Toyota's Advanced Safety Suite, which includes features like pre-collision system, lane departure alert, and a rear-view camera for added confidence when backing up. These additions reflect Toyota's commitment to making even its commercial vehicles safer for both drivers and passengers. What sets the Hiace GL Grandia apart is its unique blend of space, dependability, and value. Unlike many vans in its segment, the Hiace manages to offer a high-capacity interior without compromising on drivability. It's backed by Toyota's legendary reliability, making it a smart choice for businesses that demand long-term performance. It also boasts a surprisingly quiet cabin for a diesel-powered van, which enhances passenger comfort. The wide network of service centers and strong resale value are added bonuses that make this van a solid investment. As for the price, the 2026 Toyota Hiace GL Grandia starts at around 2,300,000 Philippine pesos in the Philippines, with minor variations depending on optional features or fleet packages. For that price, you get a well-rounded vehicle that can handle both commercial and personal transport needs, without breaking the bank. To wrap it up, the 2026 Toyota Hiace GL Grandia remains a top contender in the van segment. With its clean design, dependable engine, practical features, and enhanced safety tech, it continues to deliver everything you'd expect from a modern people mover. Whether you're transporting a team, a group of tourists, or your extended family, the Grandia does the job with confidence and comfort. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more car content. See you in the next one.